Alright, so today we're going to be looking at this tripod stand. It is called the Weifeng WT-3520. I just had to bring out the box so I can read out the name. I don't need the box anymore. Okay, so I've been using this tripod. I think I got it around January or so, and I've been using it since then. Alright, so this video is going to be like a review slash all the features, how to use this tripod, so that you get to see some of the features that it comes with. If you're interested in it, then you can go and get it for yourself. I'll leave a link to it in the description. It's going to be a Jumia link, so you guys can get it. I got it at the physical store, but just in case you don't know where to get yours, then you can just get it on Jumia. Alright, so the first thing you want to know is that it doesn't come with this, so I'm going to take it off first. This is what it should look like when you get it for the first time. So what you need to do is to buy this one. This one comes separately, so you won't get it with the tripod. I had to buy this one. I think this one I bought it for, that was, I think, January. So I got this one for maybe 3,000 naira. I don't really remember, it's been so long. Okay, so after you have gotten this one, normally this one is like this. They are attached like this. So this is how it normally looks. Then you just attach it to the tripod stand, and then you can connect your phone to it. I'm going to show you how to connect the phone as well. About the tripod itself, I believe it is made out of aluminum, or aluminum as some people call it, and the height can go as high as, I think, 54 inches. I measured it with a measuring tape. It's over there. Let me just get it. So this is the tape that I used to measure it. I'm not a tailor, but yeah, it can go up to 54 inches. And I'm going to show you guys how to extend it. So you can see the handles over here. You just need to, there are two. So the first one has the smaller part. I'm not even sure if this is in frame right now, but I hope it is. So after removing it, you just press the handle to hold it. So you can't see the top, I believe, but this is how tall it is. And then you can stop at any point you want. Let's say this height is enough for you. Then use the handle to just trap it, and this is it. It's not going anywhere. Even the bottom part, let's say this is enough for you. Just hold it this way, and that's it. It's not going anywhere. So sometimes it's a bit hard to balance it, because as a human, you're going to make errors. But that's where there's a part over here that you can use. I'm going to show you guys. You can use to check how balanced it is. So you just need to make sure that the bubble is in the middle, and that will give you a good balance. Alright, so the top also goes up. So let's say you have extended it completely and you still haven't reached the height that you want, then you can lose this part, and then use this side to just spin it till it gets up. So you can stop at any point, and then you tie the bottom. And that's it. So it has given you some extra height, and you can stop at any point, like the legs themselves. And if this is enough for you, you can just tie it down here, and that should be okay. So let me just bring it down completely. Okay, that's everything concerning the height. Now let me attach the phone to it. So like I said, this is how the extra part comes. You have to buy this one separately, but I normally don't use this part of it, so I just remove this and keep it. I hardly use this one. I had to find it to make this video. Okay, so I'm going to connect this one to the base, the top of it right now. So what I need to do is to remove this, and then at the bottom you see the handle. You just need to spin it. Make sure that this one is facing, like it's not facing the sides, just facing straight forward. And after that, you put it back in and just lock it in place. So now the phone holder has been connected. So I have my phone here. All my videos I make using phones. This is not the phone that I use for making videos. The phone I'm using is connected to my ring light. But for now, this is not a video about cameras, but I just wanted to say that to me, I prefer using phones, because with cameras, I feel like there's a lot of things that you need to carry around. But with your phone, you can always, if there's an emergency, you can always carry out your phone to just start recording. But with a camera, I don't know if it's that simple. I haven't had one yet, so maybe when I get one, I'll know if it's good or not. But anyway, so if you have your phone, all you need to do is just lose this, and then you put your phone in and then tie it. So after you're done tying, then that's it. The phone is not going anywhere. And this thing is very light. You don't need a lot of energy. You don't need to eat too much before you can use it. Okay, so there are features that you can do with just this part of the tripod stand, which I really like. So this is going to be your normal horizontal videos, but if you are someone that makes videos for like TikTok or Instagram, you know, those ones are usually vertical videos. So with this you can do that. There's a screw here. You just need to lose it. After losing it, you lift this one up, and this is it. So you can tie it if you want. And now you have your normal vertical videos. Very fancy, very useful. Normally I don't do Instagram or TikTok, but I'm trying to get into all those things maybe in the future. Okay, so that's for the portrait and landscape mode. You can also go left and right. There's a screw here. You just need to lose it, and after you lose it, you can use this handle here to go left or right. And if you have gotten to the point where you want it to stop, you can leave it the way it is if you know you're not going to be touching the tripod. But if you know you'll be touching it and you don't want things to be unstable, then you can tie this. And after tying it, it won't move anymore. It's not going anywhere. Okay, so let me bring it back to center. And then finally we have up and down. So I like using this feature a lot because sometimes when I make review videos, I can just show a product from the top and then bring it to the bottom. Okay, so to do that, you need to unscrew from here. Just turn this one this way, and then you can go down or up. So those are the features that I really like about just this part of the tripod. You can do a lot with this part of the tripod. Now on this part, the left side, if I open here, you also find I don't even know what this is called. It is used to determine if the tripod is balanced, like it is not too much on the, it is like not too forward or not too backwards, right in the middle. I don't normally use this one because there's another one down here which I've already talked about, so I prefer using this one because with this one you have to bend to check it, and over right now it is showing me that it is not very balanced, but like I said, I've never used it, so I don't really care about it. Now that's basically all you get with this tripod. I haven't used this part here, this hook. So maybe you can use it to hang stuff, maybe to keep it very balanced in case you're having issues with the tripod staying in one place. But overall, this is a very good tripod stand if you want to get started with making videos. Now, I would not recommend you use heavy like cameras on this, like maybe huge TV cameras, because I don't think this one is going to be able to handle it. But I haven't had any issues with it so far. To me, it's still very strong. Like I said, I only use phones to record videos, and most phones are not heavy. If phones are heavy, people will not buy them. But yeah, I know that the only people that will be interested in this product are video makers. And I've talked about everything that I believe video makers will be interested in. But if there's anything that I missed, then you guys can let me know in the comments so that I can respond to you. I'll answer you in the comments. But yeah, that's basically all I have to say in this video. Thank you for watching, and like I said, if you have questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.